Hi, I am the voice behind Appledon, and I'm going to be drawing Rainswept Rain. I will put credits in the description, or maybe in the title, whichever. I'm not sure right now. This is a tutorial on how to draw. It is sped up, so you can go to settings and change the speed from the video if you need to, if you really need to. But I don't think it's that fast even when it's sped up. I did not know about layering on MS Paint before this, so I'm sorry about that. But anyways, hope you enjoy. Also, there is going to be a lot of mistakes because I couldn't find out how I want to make it. So there are a lot of mistakes, especially with the feet because I didn't know how to make it. But anyways, now you can actually enjoy.
you.